download gradient tool in Photoshop Spike. Give you the link in description. Okay. You download search file. Download file. Click this. Don't right click this. Okay, just click this download file. Okay, open this. Click that. Photoshop CS5, not in Adobe Photoshop CS3. I am a Photoshop. I want to see. Here, look, I have that. Oh, this is 3,420. By the way, thank you for your watching. Please follow me on Twitter at @imswag_meow. Bye.